Guys, good morning, dear student. Welcome. In previous period, we discuss extra examples on similarity and also on Pythagoras Theorem chapter. Today, we discuss about extra examples on Pythagoras Theorem. Let us start. As in previous period, we solve, discuss some examples on chapter number first, similarity. Example first, out of the following, which is the Pythagorean triplet? Option A, 1 5 10. Option B, 3 4 5. Option C, 2 2 2. Option D, 5 5 2. Yes. Here Pythagorean triplet, when we say any set is the Pythagorean triplet if hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. That property we can get then and there. We can say that one triplet is the Pythagorean triplet. In first example, hypotenuse square means hypotenuse is the largest side. Here largest side is 10, that is 10 square is equal to remaining side square addition 1 square plus 5 square. Yes, good answer. This is the correct answer. Option B is the answer. 10 square means 100, 1 square means 1, and 5 square means 25, and therefore 100 is equal to addition 26, and this is not Pythagorean triplet. Not Pythagorean triplet. Then option B, 3 4 5. Largest side is 5, 5 square is equal to, we show remaining side square addition 3 square plus 4 square. 5 square means 25, 3 square means 9, 4 square means 16. Is good answer, and therefore 25 is equal to 16 plus 9. We get that is 25, and both sides are similar means 3 4 5 is Pythagorean triplet. Therefore answer is option B, that is 3 4 5. Second example, in a right angled triangle, sum of the squares of the sides making right angle is 169. Then what is the length of hypotenuse? Option A 15, option B 13, option C 5, and option D 12. Then here in a right angled triangle, this is right angled triangle. Here the sum of the squares of the sides making right angle. Here right angle 90 degree and these two sides making right angle and their squares addition is given, means base square plus height square is given and is equal to hypotenuse square, and their addition is 169. 169 is equal to hypotenuse square. Then taking root, what we get is good answer, that is 13. Its root means option B. B option 13 is the answer. The next example, third example, out of the date given below, which date constitutes Pythagorean triplet? Option A 15, 8, 17. Option B 15, 8, 16. Option C 3, 5, 17. Option D 4, 9, 50. S. Uttar, Raikar, Savan, Kolkade. Correct answer is, here dates are given and which date constitutes the Pythagorean triplet? We take first date 15, 8, 17. And here for Pythagorean triplet we want hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Property we get here, which is the hypotenuse, that is 17 is the hypotenuse, is equal to remaining sides square addition. 17 square is tail here. Yes, that is 289. 15 square is 225 plus 8 square is 4. Then what is the addition tail here? That is addition is 289 and both sides are equal, means this 15, 8, 17 is Pythagorean triplet. That is answer is option A, 15, 8, 17. Good answer given. Yes. छान जायला लागलाय. Then fourth example, if A, B, C are side of triangle and A square plus B square is equal to C square, name the type of triangle. Option A, obtuse angle at a triangle. Option B, acute angle at a triangle. Option C, right angle at a triangle. And option D, equilateral triangle. What is the answer? If A, B and C are the sides of triangle and here A square plus B square is equal to C square is 1, means base square plus height square is equal to hypotenuse square, means by which theorem we can use? Converse of Pythagoras theorem. We can say that triangle is right angle triangle, means option is third option, right angle triangle. Yes, good answer given. Then next example, find the perimeter of a square if its diagonally 10 root 2 centimeter. Option A, 10 centimeter. Option B, 40 root 2 centimeter. Option C, 20 centimeter. And option D, 40 centimeter. Square means all sides are congruent. S, that is quadrilateral ABCD, is the square, and here diagonal is given, that AC is given, then there are two methods. Side of square is equal to S, side of square is equal to diagonal upon root 2, that is the formula, or diagonal is equal to root 2 into side, that formula we can use. Diagonal is S 10 root 2 divided by root 2, and root 2 cancel, we get 10, and here perimeter is equal to, what is the formula? Sides are congruent, that is 4 into side, four into S, side is 10, and multiplication is multiplication is 40. Yes, that is answer is fourth number option, 40 centimeter. Yes, good answer given. Yes, another method is here diagonal 10 root 2, this is a right angle, then in right angle triangle ABC, all sides are congruent, x, use Pythagoras theorem and you can find value of x, and then use formula perimeter and you get answer. That is the another method. Then next example, altitude on the hypotenuse of a right angular triangle divides it in two parts. Of length 4 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Find the length of altitude. Option A 9 centimeter, option B 4 centimeter, option C 6 centimeter, option D 2 root 6 centimeter. रायकर, तुरकर, गोरपडे, शिंदे, सावेकर. Good answer given here. छान उत्तर द्यायला लागलाय. Then next, here altitude on the hypotenuse of a right angular triangle. Right angular triangle given here, triangle A, B, C, and we can draw altitude on hypotenuse. This is AC hypotenuse and we draw here altitude. This way, here segment BD is the altitude. Divides it divides it means divides hypotenuse. That hypotenuse divides in two parts of length 4 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Two parts length is given, that is 4 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Find the altitude, that is BD. Then in right angular triangle ABC, if BD is perpendicular on hypotenuse, then which theorem we can use here? Tell here. Which theorem we can use here? Yes, by geometric mean theorem. By that theorem, what we write conclusion? That is altitude square means BD square is equal to product of two parts of hypotenuse means AD into DC. Value of AD is 4 into value of DC is 9, and what is the multiplication? Yes, good, that is 36. This implies that taking square root of BD square is BD is equal to root of 36. And answer is option C, that is 6 centimeters. Then next example, height and base of a right angle triangle are given here, 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter. Find the length of its hypotenuse. Find the length of its hypotenuse. Option A 24 centimeter. Option B 30 centimeter. Option C 15 centimeter, and option D 18 centimeter. Yes. Here height and base of right angle triangle are given. This is right angle triangle A, B, C. Height is 24 and base is 18, and find the length of hypotenuse by which theorem? By Pythagoras theorem. Yes, many students give correct answer. छान उत्तर द्यायला लागलाय. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square means AC square is equal to base square BC square. Height square means AB square. Value of BC is 18 square plus value of AB is 24 square. Therefore, AC square is equal to, tell the square of 18 square. As 18 square means 324 plus 24 square. Tell here what we get. Is good. 576. Then tell here addition. Yes, what we get here? Yes, good. That is 900. This implies that by taking root, yes, by taking root of AC square is AC is equal to root of 900 is 30. By taking square root, and answer is 30 is the second option, B 30 centimeter. Yes, good answer given. Pythagoras, Riker, Gurpade, Shinde. Nice, good answer given. The next example, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter. AC is equal to 12 centimeter. BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Find the measures of angle A. Option A 30 degree, option B 60 degree, option C 90 degree, and option D 45 degree. Yes, right angle triangle is given. Here A, B and C actual triangle only given, and we find that is right angle or obtuse angle or acute angle. Length of AB, that is 6 root 3. Length of AC is 12 and length of BC is 6. And asking question is measure of angle A. Side opposite to angle A. Tell here which side? Which side opposite to angle A? Side opposite to angle AE, that is BC. Then what is the relation between BC and hypotenuse? Means 6 is equal to how many times? 12. What we write relation? As 6 is how many times the hypotenuse? Yes. Good answer given. Patil, Pakle, Savekar, Raikar, Gorpade, Kurkar. Good answer given. Today. Yes. 6 is half of 12. 6 हे 12च्या निम्मा आहे. Then 6 means BC is equal to 1/2 into 12 means AC, and we know the relation, that is side opposite to 30 degree is equal to half into hypotenuse. Means we can use here by when we write this conclusion, if angles are 30, 60 and 90 given, means here we use converse of 30, 60, 90 triangles theorem. Yes, here we show angles, therefore we use here converse. Means BC is side opposite to angle 30, means angle A. Angle A is equal to 30 degree, and answer is option A, 30 degree. In this way we can solve that example. Many students give correct answer. छान उत्तर दिलेलं आहे. The next example. These examples are problem set 2, question number 1. The next, find the height of an equilateral triangle having sides twice A. Here equilateral triangle means samabhuj trikon, means all sides are congruent. Triangle A, B, C is an equilateral triangle, and here sides are given, that is all sides are equal, 2A, 2A, and here also we get 2A. And here find the height of an equilateral triangle. For that purpose we draw perpendicular AD. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. AD perpendicular to BC, therefore height of an equilateral triangle bisect the base. That height of an equilateral triangle bisect the base means two parts are congruent. Out of these two parts, DC part we consider. DC is how many times of BC? Tell here. Yes, that DC is how many times of BC? Two parts are equal. DC is small and BC is big. Half of BC. Half into value of BC is twice A. Then 2, 1 is 2, and we can get A value. Yes, good answer. Kurkar, Gorpade, good answer. Riker, good try. Many students give correct answers. Yes. Yes. The next step is we can find height. Therefore, we consider right angle triangle ADC. Triangle ADC, in right angled triangle ADC by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, what we write? This angle ADC, yes, that triangle we consider hypotenuse, that is AC square, is equal to base square means DC square plus height square means AD square. Therefore, value of AC is twice A bracket square is equal to DC means A square plus AD square we find. 2 square is 4, A square is A square, and plus A square becomes minus A square is equal to AD square. Therefore, 4A square minus 1A square we get 3A square is equal to AD square. This implies that by taking root, yes, root of the remaining and root of A square is A is equal to root of AD square is AD, and by taking square root, that is AD is equal to root 2 root 3A. Therefore, height is equal to root 3A. In this way, we can solve that example. Methods taken. Height of an equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 upon 2 into side. That is the formula for height. Root 3 upon 2 into side given twice A. 2 1 is 2. Then we can get root 3A. That is the answer. There are two methods. First method for 2 marks and second method for 1 mark. 1 मार्कासाठी ही पद्धत वापरायची आहे दुसरी, आणि 2 मार्कासाठी ही पहिली पद्धत वापरायची. This way we can solve that example. Dear student, today
we discuss about different examples on Pythagoras theorem. The next part we see in next period. Thank you. उद्या सकाळी 8 ते 9 तुमचा तास असेल, कळवलं जाईल व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुपला. थँक्यू.